Hello, in this easy and quick tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to recover your TikTok account. Now, if your account is suspended, I will show you step by step on how you can get it back, okay? How you can get it back. So first, one of the reasons why you get suspended, probably you are for example, using copyrighted material like music, video clips, or without authorization, of course, of the person you are taking videos from. But there is another reason, okay, like hate speech. For example, if you made like misinformation videos or promoting dangerous behavior, TikTok will ban your account. Okay, sometimes they make a mistake, by the way. Most of the time they make a mistake with banning your own TikTok account. Okay, so in this tutorial, like I said, I will show you step by step on how you can get it back. Okay, very easily. Okay, so before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial, and let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do is you want to search on Google. Okay, on your phone or any browser you are using, search for TikTok appeal forum. Okay, now after that you want to click on the first website where it says here report a problem. Okay, so after you are in this page, what you need to do is you want to select the topic and you want to select account access and security. Now here the category you want to select recover account or banned account. For example, we are here to help you. As you can see, you just need to follow these steps in order to appeal. Now, if you cannot do this inside the app, you can click on enable to do that, and then you will be able to enter your username here, the contact email which is linked to your TikTok account, and here additional details. The additional details, you just need to explain to them, hi, I didn't make this mistake, or if you made a mistake, you can say something, I didn't know the TikTok policies, now I understand everything, I have read everything, I'm willing to I want to get my account back, and I will not do the same mistake again, something like that. Okay, after that you want to click here, it says confirm that these statements are true before submitting, and then check this and this, and then click on submit. Now when you click on submit, you will have to wait around like 24 hours, sometimes less, and then you will get it back to you. Just check your email, and then you will be able to see TikTok email and about the decision on your account. If they are going to restore it, they are just going to say, okay, just log in into your account, now we have restored it. But if they don't want, you will say something like we permanently banned your, we will not remove suspension from your TikTok account. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and see you in the next tutorial.